Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Esther and you are welcome to my kitchen. So today we're going to be making something tasty, something simple, something healthy, and yes, we're making nutty strawberry popsicles. Yes, it has a lot of nuts in it, and it is really tasty, trust me. So we'll just go right into it. It is simple and it saves your time. So if you've not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, I really appreciate. So today we have our strawberry, we have our evaporated milk, we have our condensed milk, we have our walnuts, our almond nuts, we have our oats, we have our sour cream, and then we'll be using soy milk. You can use any milk of your choice. So here, as you can see, I'm putting everything together. You just pour and pour everything together, and when you are done putting them together, you just blend them. Yes, the measurements will be in the description box below. Blend everything together and pour them in your popsicle molder. If you don't have a popsicle molder, don't worry, I got you. It is for everybody. Nobody is going to be left out. This enjoyment we must enjoy. So I go ahead and put my popsicle sticks, and after doing that, I set them aside for me to put them in the freezer. And yes, this is for those that don't have a popsicle molder and they want to enjoy this nutty strawberry popsicles. I bought the Ziploc bag from Dollar Tree. It's about 40 or 40 something in a pack, and trust me, it is good. It doesn't leak. It is really I've used it for maybe a year or 2 years now, and it is really good. So I go ahead and remove all the air in it and I seal it properly. It is a win-win situation. Popsicle molder cannot make us not to take good popsicles. So I also use my ice cube molder, and I pour the popsicle mix and I put a film or a plastic wrap over it. And I do this just to avoid the smell of other things in the fridge, adulterating the taste of the popsicles. Just to avoid the soup, the taste of the soup or the other things in the fridge. Let them not come in contact with this. So I seal it properly and I put everything in the freezer and I wait. I like to put it overnight. You can put it for 6 hours, but I put it overnight for it to be properly frozen. And yes, this is our nutty strawberry popsicles. Trust me, this is nice. I have strawberries in my fridge right now, and this is what I'm gonna use it to do because it is nice. It is really tasty. It's so nice that hubby didn't even wait for it to freeze properly. He already ate the other one, the one that was in the Ziploc bag. That's his favorite anytime. So this is the one I put in the ice cubes molder, and as you can see, it is so good. It is so good. It's a win-win situation. Nobody is left out. You see that beautiful one? This ones you can use it for children, and win-win situation. Yes. So here I was chatting with my friend and I was enjoying my popsicles. Hope you make some for yourself and hope you enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching. Once again, please give me a thumbs up, and if you've not subscribed, please subscribe and join this beautiful family. I make food both in bulk and in small portions. Thank you for watching. Stay in God, stay safe. I love you. Bye.